Hello everyone. Today's topic is large numbers. Yes. So large number means what? And what is the smallest numbers? Yeah. What is the greatest number? So what is the number of digits we can learn now? So first one digit number. Yes. So whatever it is that numbers. So first here one digit number. What is the smallest one digit number here? So we already learned that what are the natural numbers and what are the whole numbers. Yes. Whole numbers start from 0 but natural numbers start from 1. Yes, so one digit number, smallest number is that 1 and greatest number is 9. Yes, and next two digit smallest number is 10. So how many digits will be there? 1 and 0. So 2 digits. Yes, so 10 is the 2 digit smallest number and 99 is the 2 digit greatest number. Yes, now 3 digit smallest number is 100 and greatest number is 999. So like that 4 digit smallest number is 1000 and 4 digit greatest number is 9999. So like that all those numbers. Yes, smallest number in the sense first one highest place value is the one, remaining all 0. So suppose 4 digit number, so total 4 digits will be there, 1 2 3 4. So 3 digits should be 0 and last highest place value digit should be 1. So greatest means, so all digits should be 9. So greatest 4 digit means 4 nines, greatest 5 digit means 5 nines, greatest 6 digit means 6 nines, like that. Yes, here, so once you observe here, so what is the one digit greatest number? 9. So 9 plus 1. So how much? 10. What is an 10? 2 digit smallest number. Yes. So next one, what is an 2 digit greatest number? 99. 99 plus 1? 100. What is 100? 3 digit smallest number. Yes. So what is that? So greatest number plus 1. What do you mean by plus 1? Successor. Successor in the sense we are adding the 1 or next number. Yes, or after number. So that is a successor. Yes, so whatever that greatest number plus 1 is equal to smallest next digit number. Yes, so coming to like that, so these all are the smaller numbers, 4 digit numbers, 5 digit number. Now larger number, so larger number in the sense lakh, 10 lakh, crores, like that here. Yes, what is an 6 digit smallest number? Yeah, total 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 digit will be there, 5 zeros and 1 will be there, no? So 6 digit smallest number is 1 lakh. Yes, so what is a 6 digit greatest number? 6 nines. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So nothing but 9,99,999. Yes, 9,99,999 plus 1. So what is that? 7 digit smallest number. Yes, so 6 digit means 1 lakh. So 7 digit means 10 lakh. 8 digit means 1 crore. Yes, so 7 digit greatest number 99,99,999. Next number plus 1 is 8 digit smallest number. Yes, so these all are the larger numbers. Now let me see that place value of larger numbers. Yes, so what is a place value? So before classes we already learned that. So place values ones, tens, hundreds. So smaller numbers only we are learning, okay, in expanded form. Yes, now that this is in a larger numbers, no? So more place values, nothing but lakhs, crores, okay, so 10 crores like that will be there, okay, and place value chart also, Indian place value chart and international place value chart is there. So once we can see that what are the Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Yes, children. So this is an Indian place value chart, children. So once observe this. Yes, this is an Indian place value chart. So once observe the place value chart here. Yes, so here what are the periods here? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores will be there, no? Yes, children. So ones period divided into the 3 sub columns. So what are those? Ones, tens and hundreds. Again 1000 also divided into the 2 sub columns, 1000 and 10,000, and lakhs divided into the lakhs and 10 lakhs, crores divided into the crores and 10 crores. So crores, lakhs, thousands and ones. So these all are the periods. So again the periods divided into the sub columns. Yes, so here I am giving that one number 3 4 5 6 8 7 7 0 9, no? So from one's place or right side we can, okay, so given the digits we can substitute in the column. So 9 0 7 like that. So here now this number we can read it. Yes, so 3 in the 10 crore, 4 in the crore. So 10 crores and crores together we can read as an crores. Yes, 5 in 10 lakh, 6 in the lakh, 5 and 6. So 56 together we can read as an lakhs. Even thousands also 87 together read as an thousand. So remaining 709. Yes, so how can we keep the commas? Yes, so depending upon the period. So one's period divided into the how many subcolumns? 3 subcolumns. So from one's period means right side 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundred. So after comma. Yes, after 1000 and 10,000. So 7 and 8. How many subcolumns in the 1000? 2 subcolumns. Yes, now 2 digits after comma. Then again lakhs. So again lakhs also divided into the how many subcolumns? 2 subcolumns, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Yes, so again lakhs and 10 lakhs comma. Then remaining is crores. Yes, now this is the crore, this is the lakh, this is the thousand, this is the hundreds, tens, ones. Now we can read 34 just before we are learning, no? So both together we are reading 34 crores, 56 lakhs, 87,709. So this is about the Indian place value chart. Yes. Next place value chart is international place value chart. So here this is the international place value chart. Once observe everyone. So he ones, thousands, millions and billions. This is an international. In Indian lakhs and crores will be there. Here millions and billions will be there. Again, so as usual, so again that ones period divided into the 3 subcolumns. So what are those? Ones, tens and hundreds. Yes, so then after ones period, after what is the period? Thousands period. Again thousands period here divided into the 3 subcolumns. In Indian divided into the 2 subcolumns, but in international divided into the 3 subcolumns. So what are those? 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Yes children. So 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And next one is that next period is million. So millions also again divided into the 3 subcolumns. Yes, what are those? Million, 10 million and 100 million. So millions after next period is billions. So billion also again divided into the 3 subcolumns. So billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So this is about that international place value chart. In international place value chart, how to keep the commas? Let me see that. Here depending upon the periods, one's period divided into the how many columns? 3 columns. Yes, so from right side, so 3 digits after we can keep comma. So even in Indian or international, so whatever it is that we can keep the commas. Okay, start the commas from right side. So in the sense from one's place. Yes, so even in the Indian or international both we can read. Okay, so as an 3 subcolumns. So ones, tens, 100. So and then after 1000 is 687. No, so 1, 2, 3. So 3 subcolumns. Now 1000 divided into the 3 subcolumns. So 1, 2, 3 here 3 digits after comma. Then again million also 3 digit after comma, and after that billion. Yes, now here now once we can read that number name 127. Here 3 numbers together read as a billion. So what is that? 1 in 127. 127 billions. Yes children, 127 billions. 345 millions. 345 millions. 687,709. So this is about the international place value chart. Yes. Now here do this. Read these numbers and write in words. So write in words in the sense number name we should write. Here already given that commas, no. So once whatever the number is given, depending upon the commas we should identify it is an Indian system or international system. So once we can see this number ones, tens, 100 after comma. Yes, so then after 2 digits after comma. So 2 digits after comma means so that is an Indian place value system. Yes, so given that number already giving that commas, no, so now we can read as an Indian place value chart. Yes, now this given number 506 45 and 075 is given. Now already commas are given. Now we can read as a number name. Yes, so first whatever it is that given number we can write the place values of that. Okay, above the number, right? From that is also from ones place. So ones, tens, 100. comma. So what is this period? Ones period. Yes, so then after 5 is the 1000 and 10,000. So these two are thousands period. 6 and zeros is 6 is in lakhs, 0 in 10 lakhs. So both are in which period? Lakhs period. So then 5 in crores period. So now we can write that number name. So what is the 5 in crores period? So 5 crore. So then 06. Yes, so there is nothing is there in the 10 lakhs place. Only in the lakhs place will be 6. So that's why 6 lakhs. Yes, now 45,000. What is that? 100, 0 will be there. So tens and ones together we are reading as an 75. So finally that number name of given number is 5 crore 6 lakhs 45,075. Yes. Now this is exercise 1.3. So write the numbers using commas. Here this complete exercise 1.3 is an Indian place value chart. Yes, so write the numbers using commas. Here only numbers is given, so you can keep that commas. Yes, only commas you can write it. And next write the numbers in words. Here already given that commas, just we can write the number name. So write the numbers in words, nothing but number name we should write. Yes, so write the number using commas. One question I will explain for you. Yes, this number we can add that or keep the commas. Yes, so as per Indian place value chart. So from right side or ones place, how many digits first? First ones period divided into the how many sub columns? 3 sub columns. So ones, tens, 100, comma. So this is in a ones period. So then after 1000 and 10,000. So thousands period divided into the 2 sub columns, no? So that's why 1000 and 10,000. So only 2 digits after comma. So then after, what is this? Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Yes, then crore and 10 crore. So then after you should write that place, okay, place value of the given number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So like that you can keep that commas. Yes, children. So remaining 3 problems you can add that commas. Yes. Here second bit also write the numbers in verse. Given that 4 numbers, you should write that number name. Now third bit is write the number in figures. So nothing but here number name is given, so we should write as in digits or nothing but number. So once we can read that number 4,57,400. Yes, so what is the highest place value here? Lakhs. Yes, children. So highest place value is lakhs. So first we can write as in a place values of that given number. Now given that number name 4,57,400. So what is the highest place value is lakh. So what is that lakh? Lakhs. Even 2 digits also we are reading as a lakhs, but here what is that? 4 lakh. So 4 means single digit or 2 digits? Single digit. So first we can write as a place value. So lakhs. So from right side we can write the place value. So lakhs before that, I mean 10,000, and then after 1000, then after hundreds, tens, ones. First we should write the place values of the number. Now we can substitute the digits. So in the lakhs place, what is the digit will be there? 4. So in the lakhs place 4 we should write. So then after 57,000. So just before we are learning, not together we are reading in the thousands. So 57. So in the sense 2 digit number. So 50 in the 10,000, 5 in the 10,000s place, 7 in the thousands place. So 57,000, and next one is the 400. Yes, so in the 100 place 4. So then after anything is there? Nothing will be there. Even 400 nothing but 400 in the tens place and ones place 0 will be there. Yes, so what is that? 4,57,400. So like that you should write it that. Yes. Yes, once observe that remaining questions also. Here 60 lakh, 60 in the sense 2 digit. So 60. So nothing but 10 lakhs and lakhs will be there. So 60 lakh 2000. Yes, so means 2000. There is no 10,000. So in the 10,000's place we should write as a 0, 02. Okay, and then after 775. So 775 you should write the remaining 2. Okay, 2 numbers also. Then and next bit is the write the numbers in expanded form. Yes, children. So in last class we already learning that expanded form, no? So first we should write the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 6 lakh, 6 into lakh or plus 4 into 10,000 plus here already 0, 0 place value always 0 plus 1 into 100 plus 50 plus 6. Yes, so one question I will explain for you. Now this question we can write as an expanded form. So 6 in the what is the which place? Lakhs place. Or otherwise one more easy way to write that expanded form. Yes, 6 after how many zeros will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so 6 after how many digits will be there? 5 digits. So 5 zeros. 6 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after plus. So then after what is the number? 4. 4 after how many digits will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so then after 1, 2, 3, 4. Then plus. Then after 0. 0 place we always 0. You should write the 0 after 3 zeros or nothing but leave it. Okay, no problem. Then 100. Then after 1. So what is the 1 place value? 100. 1 after how many digits will be there? 2 digits. So 2 zeros plus 5, 50 plus 6. Yes, so this is the one of easy way to write that expanded form. So 6 after how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. Then 4 after how many digits will be there? So that many zeros you should write. So this is an expanded form. And this is the write the following numbers in short form. Short form nothing but standard notation. So in previous class we already learned, no? So here some questions will be there. So in fourth one I am explaining for you. Yes, so once observe here, what is that? How many zeros will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros before what is the number? 7. Yes, children. So first we should write as an 7. Yes, so how many zeros will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros will be there. No? So what is the next number? 7. So first write that. Here only that face value of that number you should write. 7 zeros. 7 backward. Yes, only zeros we are counting. Yes, here 7 zeros. So 7 backward. 6 zeros will be there. Yes, so here 6 zeros will be there or not, once we can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 zeros will be there. So what is the face value here? 7. Yes, next how many zeros? 6 zeros. So 6 backward 5. 5 zeros is there? No, only 3 zeros will be there. Yes, so zeros will be how many? So once we can underline the zeros, 7 zeros, 6 zeros, 3 zeros, and here only 1 zero. Now 7 zeros face value is 7. Next 7 backward number is 6. 6 zeros face value is 7. 7 we wrote. 7 backward number is 5. 5 zeros will be there? No. So that's why we can write as an in the place of 5 zeros place 0. Next 5 after 4 zeros will be there? No. So even there also 0. Then 4 after backward 3 will be there. Yes, 3 zeros. So 3 zeros face value is 7. So 3 after 2 zeros. But 2 zeros is there? No. So that's why 0. So and then after 1 0. So 1 0 in the sense 7. So 1 0 after there is no 0. So this is the 70 tens. So tens before 1. So nothing is there. So 0. So this is the given expanded form of that number. Yes, so whatever the zeros are missing or whatever the place values are missing, in that place values the digit we can write as an zeros. Yes, so once we can observe here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Yes, 7 crore. Yes, 7 crore, 70 lakh, 7,070. Clear, children? So this is the short form. So remaining questions you should solve it here. So remaining 1, 2, 3, fourth question I am explained for you. So 1, 2, 3 you can solve it. Yes. Okay, thank you.